All right, guys, next on the menu, stuffed salmon. We're gonna stuff it with got a little baby spinach, got a little Parmesan cheese, spicy jalapeno, regular Philadelphia cream cheese, roasted garlic, black pepper, a little Tony Sachet Creole seasoning, and some green onion to go along with our stuffing of this salmon right here. So y'all stay tuned, man, right here on the Rolling Grill. Yeah, boy. All right, I also forgot red peppers, green peppers, and a little onion. This is a little fajita mix. This is also going in the stuffing. All right, now that you have your fish cut into individual portions, these are like 4-ounce portions. Now all you want to do is make a nice little slit down the middle and then kind of expose it a little bit. I'm cutting in the inside just a little bit to try to kind of butterfly it out a little bit. That gives me room to put a lot more stuffing in there. Now I could use a smaller knife, which is what I should have done. All right, once you have your little pockets in here, you take your stuffing and you go inside. Push into the cavity as much as you can. Don't worry about making a mess. Once you cook it off, it's gonna come out beautiful. Same deal. If you wanted to, you could add shrimp, any kind of seafood to this, to the stuffing as well. But I kind of like to let them mound up a little bit. You get a nice presentation at the end of the cook. All right. So let me finish stuffing this one out. All right, that's all we're gonna do for right now. Let's move on to the next step, cooking them off. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all, in the cast iron skillet over medium heat, just wanna add a little olive oil. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna sear off the skin side of this salmon. All right, guys, and in a skillet over, cast iron skillet over medium heat rather, we're gonna start skin side down. Now, we want to crisp up this skin as best we can because, you know, a lot of people like to eat salmon skin. So you're just going to leave it in here probably about a good 5 minutes on medium heat. You just want to get the skin crispy, and then I'll show y'all how we're going to finish these bad boys off. Y'all think we're going to finish them in this pan, but I got a little trick. Stay tuned. Look at them, guys. They look beautiful, man. And there's my timer, man. 5 minutes on the skin side. Let me see if I can show y'all what the skin looking like. Again, we're not trying to cook it in the pan. We just want to get them kind of crispy. Look at that skin. Yes, sir. So, let me go ahead and show y'all my secret weapon. It's the air fryer. What you want to do is stick them in that air fryer. Once you get that skin crispy, stick them in that air fryer. All right, stick them in that air fryer and let them go the rest of the way. And so what we're gonna do, excuse my dirty little air fryer, I actually use mine. 370 for 5 minutes, y'all. That's all it's gonna take. And them things are gonna be beautiful. Yeah, boy. All right, guys. And just like that, they are ready to go. Just a quick note, please season your salmon. I didn't season the salmon on camera, but please season your salmon before you put the stuffing in. And also, your air fryer, my air fryer gets plenty hot, so I can do 370 for 5 minutes, but you may have to do 400 for 5 to 8 minutes, depending on, you know, how much heat you can pump out. But anyway, let's get these on the cutting board. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, boy. All right, guys, and there you go, man. Simple, super easy, just in time for the spring and the summertime. Some stuffed salmon or any kind of fish, man. But salmon is really good because it's nice and oily and it stays moist. But if you want to add a little more moisture, hit it with a little drizzle of olive oil on each one of them. Then take a little piece of lemon, squeeze a little lemon on them, and man, you are good to go. So let's take a little bite. Let's take a little bite on this one on the end. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's perfect, man. Let me get over here in the light. That's perfect. That's cooked perfect. I don't know how you like it. If you like it well done, keep on rocking and rolling. I like mine medium, but that's perfect for me. So as always, man, good food, good vibes. Catch y'all in the next video. Yeah, boy!